Jatend migao mar thieth Aden Dwale koro koni owuok oko mar kedo gi kweth jomibadhi moko ni oyudo ka ogoyo tach e migao mar thieth ma bende osebedo ka rocho chenro mag thieth e pacho ka. Magi nowacho bang' yango ni piny owacho bende osebedo ka lalo kwan 32% mag yedhe mosebedi kiwito bang' kethore e sto e kuonde ma ikanogie. Joja oko nigi ler mathoth kowuok Mombasa.
Kaunti ma Mombasa, kuma ne oyuoro romo mane okelo kanyakla riwruog jolony mag yedhe pacho ka Pharmaceutical Society of Kenya. Kae ne oyangore ni moko kuom ute thieth osebedo ka ywago nok mag yedhe, kaka machielo to piny owacho kano yedhe e sito machwe kethre.
Over 40% of patients wakienda hospitali hawapati zile dawa ambazo waliambiwa. Yeah? They have to go round and buy from outside. Accountability. Over 30% of the instances they will not find a qualified person. So some of the medicines that find will be questioned. Yeah? That's why our prescribers are prescribing. They are wondering, is this thing going to work or not?
If you look at the number of expiries or the quantities of expired medicines, and these are the very essential medicines that are required. A study done by the ministry in 2022-2023, our expiry rate of medicines is 32% against a global best practice of 3 to 5%. That is a hoping cost of almost 9.5 billion. Then we require another 600 million to be able to destroy those medicines. We cannot live like that, especially in these times.
Achiel kuom okange ma migao no koni chano keto mar gayo kethruok mag yedhe kendo neno ni gichopo kuonde mowinjore seche makare en tiyo gi lony mar mbui mabiro luwo ndach yedhego.
We are introducing what we call in that system track and trace system in order to eliminate counterfeit and substandard medicines and medical products. Real-time drug utilization reviews in order to inform planning and policy. Pharmacists must champion this transition. You are the bridge between the systems, the patient, and the outcome. Never again shall we witness medicine expiring in KEMSA or any of our public health facilities. That I can assure you under my leadership.
Ne bende ukoni sani uweko oko mar kedo gi kweth jomibadhi moseyango ni oweyo tach e migao no kendo osebedo ka rocho chenro mathoth motenore kod thieth. Timo lokruok moko kuom bede migao no koni en achiel kuom okange modhi godo nyime.
Waziri, you have made one statement, allow me to be your student, that you want to restore order and public trust in a healthcare system. The only way you are going to do that is how you have begun this journey of working very, very closely with your health workforce.
2 months down the line, and the DG is here. And you can speak to our colleagues in Afia House. We are left with about, I think, 5 to 4% to clear the mafia from Mafia House. We have done changes. We will do serious structural changes.
Magi timore seche gi mabende kwayo imed chwal ne migao no mondo mi opwodh chik mabiro gayo wach hono yedhe aoyaye.
Please sign that into law because it is affecting us. As Mombasa, we are heavily affected, where people are just selling all sorts of products and guys are just going insane on the streets because of uncontrolled substances that are being sold as you know, people sell some of these things as if they're selling sweets in a shop.
But now it's in the Senate. Let us conclude it. It's a very progressive, it's a very good bill, and I want to assure you that I will consult both the Senate Health Committee and the National Committee and National Assembly Committee.
Kethruok mag yedhe mokane sto kako machielo to jotuo iwago nok mag thieth en achiel kuom gino ma migao mar thieth koni dwa kedo godo e pacho ka. George Aoko, Ramogi TV, Mombasa.